blast off.
Well,
Do it again?
yeah.
Go. She's testing the bed, you sick people. You guys have sick minds. No, but legitimately, this is like such a nice pillow, nice bed, nice duvet, comforter. Like, come on, man. Breakfast.
Hi, birthday.
Yeah.
Don't you study something?
Dang. Ready? 3.
I love fingers.
Sniff it. Sniff test. Everyone knows the rules. It does smell really good, guys. This was only $1, but you can't tell or see it. But look, maybe you can see the fibers. It's so tender. Check it out right here. Also, you can get a massage, and it's only $8 if you want the traditional tie. This is traditional tie right here. Watch. That's the Thai massage. I'm getting the back head. Nice gentle. She's getting the Roma one. So this smells good. It's massage 1 hour. So the guy did a massage. He did like this. And then this.
Mine was nice, so it's like this.
But she's very calm right now. Like, relax. I'm gonna get her massage next. Mine was painful. Popular sniffer thing. Look, everyone has this in Thailand. Never used it before. I don't even know what to expect. Whoa. Oh, it's strong.
How'd it feel?
Wake. I understand now. Here, I'll record you. Pepper chicken nugget. Ready for the fries? Oink. Kind of squishy and soft, but you know, everyone knows the rules. It's a mid chicken nugget.
Mid with the sauce?
Very mid, but with the mid.
Rainy day on the island. Okay.
Eating food in Thailand. Let's go, man. Oh, shoot. One bite. Everyone knows the rules. Garlic cheese bread.
What the?
I know, that's what I said. That's so bomb. No shit. How's everyone doing?
We're just trying to have a good time, man.
The beach. Guess who I found? I found this girl.
In the shirt.
Delicious.
What do you want to buy? I'm buying them the shirt.
Yeah.
I also kind of want this.
So what are you doing right now?
Cutting a mango.
Cause what?
Because I am woman.
What? She's just cutting mango because I asked her. She posed this so many